Well, yeah, we wouldn't. They'd call the police if they thought we... Well,
Well,
hang on. Want me to take the picture? Yeah, it's all coming from the one truck. Yeah, go on. The same thing. What do I press?
Record it if you want.
What?
It's recording now.
Where is it? Where is it?
Huh?
It's all coming from this truck, you know. They've put it in one truck, down to the drain, coming straight out here. I've got everything and the registration number. Zippos, we got Zippos.
Stop, you're putting sewage in the front of your circus. There's shit coming out from the bloody drain.
We got Zippos. It's coming direct. James. Oh my God, I can't believe the council would let this happen, you know. I live in here and I come to this park every day.
You can phone the environmental people.
I will, because this ain't on. I'm going to tell him I was sitting in the park. I will sit.